As this example shows, there are no protection applied anywhere, so therefore any cell can be selected and changed. We provide the following service to protect it at level 1, where any cell can be selected but cannot change, excluding the ones that we have pre-selected, which are the yellow ones. So there I can change 2, 3, whatever we need to. But here the formula can also be selected, cannot be changed, which is good because it protects your formula. But maybe your formula is either IP or you just don't want anyone else to see it. So therefore we can provide the next one where you can still select any cell. You can even select the formula cell, but now in the formula bar, the formula is hidden. And if that freedom is also not what you require, the next level is nowhere else can it be selected. As I'm clicking, nothing can be selected, excluding the yellow cells. So if I press tab button, it jumps only between the yellow cells, and the formula bar cannot be seen for the formula existing. So if this is what you're looking for, go ahead and select that offer button and we can then apply it to your workbook. Thanks for listening.